Okay, compensated 19. Ooh, there's no recoil to this thing. This is ridiculous. That's crazy. Can you see the flare come out?
When you shoot that indoors, it sucks.
Jesus, that's like, okay, I'm getting a new barrel.
Yeah, she does. Man, that is flat. Boy, you're gonna have a lot of fun with that. Nice. All right, so we're gonna compare my Gen 4 Glock 19, which is pretty highly customized at this point, to the Gen 4 19C that we got just for fun. I already know the 19C is gonna run better, but just because we have them here, we can do it basically. All right, here's the 19C. Man, that's just so easy to shoot. Why did you do that to me, dude?
There you go.
Oh my gosh. That was amazing. Felt fantastic.
Yeah. I think these are going to be, if you saw the ejection pattern, I don't know if you noticed that, AJ, but the ejection pattern is a lot weaker just because it's bleeding off the gas. So that's probably like the slowest ammo we're going to use on that without having any malfunctions. The self-defense stuff will work fine. So that's going to be a little bit hotter.
Want to throw some hollow points through this 19C because why not? The ejection is a bit weak though, so we had that problem with the hollow point or the ball ammo too, right?
Yeah,
the weak ejection.
Yeah.
It's definitely a bit weak, even with the 124 grain hollow points, but it's running fine, so that's a plus.
Yeah.
And he hates it, I can tell.
Yeah, it's just a terrible gun. I definitely wouldn't carry it.
Tongue in cheek.
Yeah, sarcasm. Anybody else want to shoot that?
Can I shoot yours and then mine?
Yeah.
Trigger's a lot better than yours, dude.
Yeah, it is. Got another mag on you?
Yeah. Man, the blast you feel almost makes you forget about the less recoil.
Yeah. It's like a small smack in the face every time.
But it's back on target so much quicker.
Oh yeah, definitely. But I do wonder with like an auto adjusting dot what it will do.
Oh, right, because of that big cloud that comes out.
Yeah.
Keep it.
I mean, keep the
Keep
mic on.
Oh, wait, I like the first impression he said. Keep it. I like that. The only thing that drives me nutty with the 19s with the finger grooves.
Yeah.
My hands run over them. Yeah, either grind them.
That's funny because I love it. I have baby fingers.
They fit. Mine don't. honest to God, I can still see the sights clearly every time I pull the trigger. It's crazy. They're not even jumping on me. Hands are getting sweaty. Yeah, my hands are getting sweaty. Ah, that's it. You guys should, I'm getting spoiled.
Another mag. There's only 5 rounds left in this one though.
All right, thank you.
But I've noticed, so when you were shooting like the 48, I noticed a lot more muzzle flip, and this one, a lot flatter.
Yeah, it is. It's crazy.
How much difference do you feel in that one?
It's just so much better.
Exactly.
This, I might have to get one of these as my first gun.
You should, but they're very rare now. I bought one. You guys didn't. I don't even know how you guys got one. What's that? The 19C. That's
Super satisfying.
Oh yeah.
No failures.
One in your shop.